Hi, I'm Mike from Michael's Motor Cars, located in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Today I have a really cool Cobra I'd like to show you. Come on over and take a look at the car. This is a car that we are very happy to be representing. It's a Factory 5 Mark III Cobra kit car. It was built locally. The guy, actually as a side note, the guy was in the submarine service. Highly detailed engineering type guy that built the car. In these cars, there is so much in obviously the person that built it, the level of detail, the original kit they started with, and then of course the motor and drivetrain that was chosen. This car to me checks a lot of the boxes. First of all, it's gorgeous. It's in the dark blue with the white stripes, black interior, and the car looks outstanding. He started the build January 2005. It's about a 5 to 6 year build. And when he ordered, we also have complete documentation of the build, all of the receipts spent. We have photographs of him putting it together when it first arrived by tractor trailer. We have all the receipts from Factory 5, from Ford, he bought the motor, and all the different components he bought for the car. So extremely well documented. He had about $50,000 to $60,000 in the build as far as what he spent for it. And then he did 90% of the labor himself. So it's an expensive build, but nicely done. A couple things to note, when he originally ordered it from Factory 5, who, by the way, I visited them at their factory, and they're really nice people. So if you have a chance, I recommend visiting the Factory 5 team. It's neat to go there to see the cars being made, and they're really nice people to talk to. So he had the Roadster kit. He also got the powder-coated frame, the complete assembly, 3-link deluxe package, the rear suspension setup on it, which is solid rear axle, not independent. He also did the hood hinges, the special hood hinges, which I'll show you are really nice. He got the optional wind wings on either side of the windshield. And then also know he put a heater in the car, which is nice, and of course it has wipers. So it's a fully functioning street legal car. We also have, in addition to all the individual receipts for everything was purchased, we have the receipt when he purchased the motor, which was a brand new crate engine, a Ford 460 from Ford Motorsports, and he had a new Tremec T600 5-speed transmission. So we've got the big block Ford, we have powder-coated headers, 4-barrel carburetor, Edelbrock manifold, the Tremec transmission, very solid traditional drivetrain in this car. And when you drive the car, it shows. Please take the time and watch. We'll do 3 videos of this car. We just finished the driving video. It's a lot of fun. Cobras are always fun. The car is very nicely dialed in. The steering is great. The brakes are great. The performance is what you would expect, very strong. And the car has a real nice feel to it. Not only was it well put together, it's dialed in very nicely. We also did a cold start video, so you can hear it from cold startup. And then we're doing the showroom video right now. And I'll show you, and then we'll take photographs of all of this. He has an extensive photo book that he did on the car, beginning with when the big tractor trailer shows up and the body is delivered. There he is standing with the body when it first showed up. And then he just goes through all the steps of the building. He took a lot of photographs, a lot of detail work, and it's all very nicely done. Again, the guy, very detail-oriented guy, kept great records. So if you're looking at buying one of these, first, obviously pick which one you want. There's a number of companies. Factory 5 is one of the leading companies with these kinds of cars. Select your drivetrain, and then it's the importance of the build. So let's take a look. He also ordered the jacking points for the front, the chrome jacking points, which is cool. They're neat. He has all the correct lenses, which are cool. He's got the Cobra emblem. And the motor itself, and I saw this right away and I loved it. He paid extra for the hinges, the hood hinges. So they go up and the hood is counterbalanced the whole way. And it's just really neat. Little details like that on this car are well done. Over here, and we'll take photographs on the bulkhead, he has the original registration plate from Factory 5. It's riveted on. And then he followed all the proper procedures for Pennsylvania and he did a special construction plate on the car now. So it is legally registered in Pennsylvania. We have a Pennsylvania title which shows it as a special construction vehicle. So that is all taken care of and done properly. The motor itself, we have the usual MSD ignition. It is carbureted, as I mentioned earlier, powder-coated headers, full MSD distributor and ignition, the aluminum alloy radiator with the electric cooling fan. We also have, which is over there, a heater accessory. So we had heater installed also, so the car does have a functioning heater, which is nice, of course, when it gets cold. But aside from being underneath the car, and we'll take a lot of photographs, engine compartment or trunk are two areas that tell you a lot right away about how a build was done. During our getting the car ready, we put a set of brand new tires on it. So they were just installed. The car was just inspected and serviced. So it's ready to go. Here are the wings I mentioned earlier. He got the optional wings. These help a lot with wind buffeting when you're driving the car. The car shows 4,106 miles. It's a nicely finished interior. The door cards are finished and they're nice pleats. Carpeting is nicely done, fitted well. The one thing I would change, he did this and we left them on, but he's got little stickers for all the switches. It would be nice to take those off, but we left them on. You can take them off. The vinyl is not damaged underneath. All of the instrumentation is working properly. And he does have 4-point racing harnesses, Simpson, that are on the car. And they're cool. They're the old school ones, which are neat with the old latches. So you can use them as just a lap belt, or you can do the full harness. Have the fire extinguisher that comes with it. And we have the driver's loop, chrome loop for the roll bar. So just nicely done. And also, like, again, it's all in the details. I love the stitched brown leather retaining straps right here. That's a very vintage look. And you don't see this on all of the cars. So doors and everything close well. I do like the thickness of fiberglass Factory 5 uses. The cars have a solid feel to them. The door, trunk, hood, all the fit and finish is nice. Correct lenses on the back, correct fuel filler, Cobra emblem again, jacking points again, the chrome jacking points instead of the bumpers right here. These are cool. And in the trunk, it's all business in the trunk, which I like. Nice, clean. All the rivets are lined up nice and straight. Batteries back here. So just everywhere in this car that you look, it's nice and neatly done. And it's obvious in the level of work he did. Coming along this side of the car, of course, it's fiberglass, so there are no dents or dings. There are no scratches on the paint. It's been very well taken care of. There is no curb rash on any of the wheels. They're all excellent. The disc brake pads were just replaced, so they're new. And same thing on this side. Again, nicely finished off interior door compartment. We have also these up here, the visors, the regular sun visors. And as I mentioned earlier, functioning wipers, powder-coated headers down here for that classic Cobra sound. So if you've been looking for a Cobra like this, take a look at this one. Really good build, driven enough that it's fully sorted out. It drives beautifully. It's a usable car. It's a 5-speed car, so it cruises nicely. It stays cool. The engine runs beautifully, starts up instantly, hot or cold, idles well, revs great. And it's just overall, just a neat package. So please ask us any questions you may have. We'll be happy to answer them. We have a ton of receipts and documentation. Anything you'd like to see, we're happy to show it. We'll take a lot of photographs of all that so you get a sense. But everything he bought was brand new. There were no used parts at all. Everything he purchased, including the rear axle, was brand new from the various sources. So everything was new on the car. And it's a gorgeous car. So thanks for taking the time watching our video, and hopefully we'll find a nice new home for this deserving Cobra. Thanks.